Hi, friends! Today's quiz is about animal teeth. Are you ready? Is there a frog that uses teeth to keep caught prey from slipping away? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Some frogs have tiny teeth on the roof of the mouth, so caught prey cannot slip out. Do fish have no teeth in their mouth at all? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Many fish have small, sharp teeth in their mouth to grab and hold their food. Is there an animal that has teeth but still swallows prey whole without chewing? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A snake has teeth but cannot chew with them, so it swallows its prey whole slowly. Once a tooth falls out, can it never grow back in any animal? Is it O or X? The answer is X. When a shark loses a tooth, a new one keeps pushing in from behind. Is there an animal whose long, pointy part is not a horn but really a tooth? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A narwhal's long, pointy part is not a horn. It is a tooth that grew out long. Is there an animal that uses its long teeth like poles to pull its heavy body up? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A walrus jabs its long tusks into the ice to haul its heavy body up. Are all animals' teeth white like ours? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A beaver's front teeth are orange because of the hard stuff that makes them strong. Do all animals have teeth in their mouth? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Birds have no teeth at all. They peck at food with their hard beaks. Once a rabbit's front teeth grow in, do they stop getting any longer? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A rabbit's front teeth grow its whole life, so it must gnaw hard things to wear them down. Does a slow little snail have teeth too? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A snail has thousands of tiny teeth on its tongue, and it scrapes leaves with them. You did great today. See you next time. Bye.